In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a sheet to a different spreadsheet in Google Sheets. This is a great skill to have, whether you're working on a team project, managing personal finances, or organizing data in a neat and accessible way. We'll take you through this process step by step, making sure each part is easy to understand and follow. To get started, let's open a Google Sheet that you want to work with. You can do this by navigating to your Google Sheets dashboard and selecting the file you want to open. If you don't have a specific sheet in mind, you can simply create a new one for practice purposes. This will be the sheet from which we'll be copying information over to another spreadsheet. Once your sheet is open, direct your attention to the tab at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a small arrow next to the sheet's name. This is your gateway to a variety of options concerning your sheet. Go ahead and click that arrow. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu with several actions you can perform on the sheet. From the options presented, click on Copy To. This is where you'll begin the journey of transferring your sheet to another location. After you select Copy To, you will see two choices: creating a new spreadsheet or copying to an existing one. Since our goal is to transfer the sheet into a pre-existing spreadsheet, click on Existing Spreadsheet. Now, a dialog box will appear allowing you to search for the spreadsheet to which you want to move your sheet. Start typing the name of the target spreadsheet in the search bar. As you type, Google will suggest possible matches based on the files in your drive. This can save you time if you have many spreadsheets to sift through. After you've located the correct file in the search results, click on it to select it. This tells Google Sheets exactly where to send your copied data. With the correct file selected, find and click the Insert button. This action confirms your selection and initiates the copying process. Lastly, after clicking Insert, you'll be greeted with a confirmation that the sheet has been successfully copied to the designated spreadsheet. You'll now see a Done button appear on your screen. Click Done, and there you have it. You have just successfully copied a sheet from one spreadsheet to another within Google Sheets. Following these steps, you can easily and efficiently manage your data across multiple spreadsheets, streamlining your workflow and ensuring you always have access to the information you need. Thanks for joining me in this instructional video, and I hope you find this technique as useful in your day-to-day data organization as I have.